Let's go through how we can install the original Nuvio app. That is the Nuvio app from GitHub. Nuvio is an open source media manager. This video is meant just for educational and informational purposes only. So firstly, uninstall any other versions of Nuvio that you have installed. Just uninstall. Go to your browser and Google search for Nuvio GitHub and click on the first link here from GitHub, Nuvio Media. Scroll down to the bottom and you're going to find the releases section. Tap on plus releases here and you're going to find the version 1.4.4. Tap on next. I think it's the release from March 14th. And it's here 1.4.4 March 14th. Expand the assets. And you can tap on the topmost file or the second one. Open and just install this. And just open. And this is the original Nuvio app, which has got features like add-ons, plugin testing, and a lot of extra other features. And also we have got the developer options here if you tap on version. Yes. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.